snowing all day outside, so I'm gonna go outside and see how our new snowblower works. Gonna bundle up nice and warm. Okay, came out here to start the snowblower and try some snow blowing because we finally got some snow, and yeah, the battery, it's all melted. Our new snowblower, battery's melted. Check it out. Look at that. Man. Look at that nonsense. Oh. Horrible. We'll get a different battery. Hope that the wiring didn't get melted too bad. Yeah. Cocky. Okay, we put a different battery in. Let's go ahead and put this cover over it. Not sure if that wire is going to be any good after being half melted. Yeah, if that cover was on, I don't think that bar would have shorted against it. Alright, let's give it a try. Alright, we got a different battery in there. Totally melted that terminal on that one battery. Yeah, that sucks because it's like 2 months old or less. It's like, says October 2024. Battery ruined. Batteries are expensive these days too. Okay, we got an old battery on. Wire looks a little melted. Let's see if it starts. It's cold out here. Ooh. Alright, we got it started. I was worried there. Works good. A little bit slow to get started at first, but once you get moving, it works good. Yeah.